We arrived Singapore. One day later, I got a phone call.
Yeah, my friend was already freaking out. She could not properly sleep. The dogs were making noise. Dogs were sleeping at the shower area, but they make a lot of noise. And by having like a tiny house made out of wood, anything they do there, we hear upstairs, and it's not so easy. She didn't have the processes of how to handle the things, right? And she was also checking on the dogs every time they would make a noise. So like not letting them sleep, basically.
And also
Nightmare.
not letting herself sleep.
Not letting herself sleep. So it was a bit of a nightmare for her this first day. And she already called the first day freaking out. And it was a bit of a pain because now we had to figure out what to do with like 6, 7 hour time difference and yeah, everything from there.